welcome back to Khanh Ly Beauty. I'm your host Gina. I always go through each and every comment, but I just can't be reading them on my own, you know? So today, I've decided to answer one of the questions left in our comments. So today's topic will be K-beauty tips for hot and humid Southeast Asian countries. And I've invited a special guest from Vietnam to help me out today. Come on in!
Hi Gina!
Hi! Welcome!
Hello everyone, I'm Khanh Ly from Vietnam.
Khanh Ly, I've tried on the Nola for our special episode today. How do I look?
It suits you well.
Oh, and I got you one too. Oh, you look beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Oh, I feel like we're in Vietnam right now. Okay, so Khanh Ly, you've been living in Korea for quite a while right now. You must be familiar with the Korean culture.
Yes, I love K-dramas. They are very popular in Vietnam these days.
Oh, then do you know this? G to the na.
Cat to the Lee.
Ha! Perfect! High five! Alright, now let's move on to talking about today's topic. To provide our viewers with the best tips, I want to talk more about the Vietnamese lifestyle. What's the climate like in Vietnam?
Well, the map in Vietnam is quite long and narrow, so it really varies a lot. But most of them are hot all around the year, so it's very humid, and it also rains a lot during the wet seasons. It's not a good weather for beauty gurus like you.
Oh, I totally get it. It's really hard to maintain perfect hair and makeup in humid conditions. Could you tell me more about the beauty culture in Vietnam?
Yes, so I actually have prepared some interview videos of my Vietnamese friend. It will be much helpful for you if you can hear the actual experiences of my local friends.
Vì da em nó dễ đổ dầu á, nên là mỗi khi mà em trang điểm em đánh nền thì thường em đeo khẩu trang á thì đổ dầu, nên là cái lót nền của em nó sẽ dễ bị lem ra, với lại nó cũng bị bí da rồi, em không có cái cảm giác bị bí da đó.
Em muốn hỏi rằng là thật sự em chỉ cần tìm một cái cushion là nó bám lâu ở trên mặt của em, với lại là đều màu da, với lại là tích hợp được chống nắng trong đó thì càng tốt. Vì thường bây giờ thì chỉ cần nhanh gọn lẹ, với lại là chủ yếu là cũng khác.
Mà make up mà đi ngoài đường thì rất là nắng nóng, rất khó chịu, nó rất là dễ bị chảy. Nó là thời tiết của Việt Nam rất là chảy nè, xong rồi dớ khẩu trang luôn, khi mình cởi khẩu trang ra rất là khó chịu.
Dạ có, đeo khẩu trang rồi đừng nguy hiểm nữa.
It feels like we transported to Vietnam for a while there.
Yeah, I really miss my hometown a lot.
Oh, and do you think that the video really showed the actual beauty concerns of Vietnamese women?
Yes, this is a real problem of Vietnamese women.
So I think I'm starting to get the picture of what our Vietnamese friends are worried about when it comes to beauty. So I'll share my tips one by one.
So I washed my face for you, Gina. I'm a little bit shy right now with no makeup on.
Oh, no, there's no much difference and you look just as beautiful. And my first tip for today is about skincare. To have better adhesion of your makeup, you need to have a firm skincare base.
You're right, but it's so hard to do skincare in Southeast Asian climate. The inner layer of the skin gets dry due to the heat and air conditioner, but the outer layer of the skin get oily due to the sweat.
Oh, thanks for pointing that out, Khanh Ly. If you use a matte type makeup product when your skin is dry on the inside, it might look nice and matte at first, but eventually your skin is going to produce more oils to compensate for the dryness. And that will make your makeup to slide off and become cakey. That's why sufficiently hydrating your skin first before putting on makeup is considered to be so important in Korean skincare. And the best way to do that is toner mask.
Oh yes, I have seen a lot of YouTubers doing the toner mask.
Yes, toner mask might seem very simple, but there are a couple of points that you have to check in order to get the most out of it. So I'm going to share them one by one. This is the toner that we are going to use for the toner mask today. It is LANEIGE Waterbank Blue Hyaluronic Toner for combination to oily skin. It is an intensive hydrating essence toner that contains PHA that gently removes the flakiness and balances the oil moisture of the skin. It also has 7-3 mild formula, making it suitable for people with sensitive skin. Gooey toners with a high viscosity aren't easily absorbed by the cotton pads, so it's better to use a watery product. It's important to use the thinnest cotton pad that you have. Thick ones don't adhere to the skin well and consume too much toner. If you leave the edges dry in an attempt to save your toner, if anything, those parts will take the moisture away from your skin, so make sure the pads are well soaked through. Fold a cotton pad like this, then press the middle part. In this way, you can easily spread the toner across the entire cotton pad. Now, we're going to take this toner mask to another level by adding a hydration serum. Pump once or twice and spread it out with a spatula. Okay, so I'm going to put it on for our cheeks. Now we only have the final tip left. This is the last one, but also the one that you should never miss. And as time passes, after you put the toner mask on the face, the pads may start to take the moisture away from your skin as they dry. So make sure you don't leave them on your face for more than 10 minutes. 10-minute countdown begins now. Okay, so you've had the toner mask on for about 10 minutes now. I think it's time to remove it. How does your skin feel?
My skin temperature went down and is definitely hydrated.
Alright, when your skin temperature is high, the makeup doesn't stick well to your skin, so it's really important to cool down your skin before you apply makeup. Now we have to lock in all the hydration, right? So how do you normally apply cream?
I use my hand to apply it.
Well, actually today I want to introduce to you a new way of applying cream. Here it is. Ta-da!
A sponge? Don't we use that to put on foundation?
Right, but in Korea, sponge skincare is really trending.
Really? What is exactly the sponge skincare?
Can you feel the difference of using your hands and using a sponge?
Yeah, the cream really absorbs quickly into my skin, so the face doesn't feel sticky at all, and I could feel the cooling sensation.
Yeah, right. Using a sponge prevents the heat of your hands from transferring onto your face, so it definitely helps with cooling and makes your makeup stick to your skin.